The reason I get fly is I've been Jasper. I even keep your picture in my passport. Love, love. Wake up and
We're back! So we've been on hiatus. I it's been a year now, going on a year, moved to Kazakhstan, which is between China and Russia, starting a new role with my company.
And I also got a promotion and moved to Virginia from South Carolina. So we've both been on some level up type stuff lately. Yeah, so even though we've been on a hiatus and we haven't been posting as much, we are getting back to work, okay? So we're about to start, we're in the process of rebranding. So you guys be patient with us. We've got content coming. We did not stop traveling, even though we weren't posting as much. You might have saw a few clips here and there get posted onto our social media, but it's coming. We're about to get back into the full swing of things, and we're super excited to do so. So
new merch coming soon.
Yes, we do also have new merch. You can see we've got these pretty blue tops on, and we're actually out of country right now on a trip. So this is kind of our introduction back into the world, and we're super excited, like I said before. So make sure you follow us on all our social media platforms. If you're not already subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure you do that. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.